Today we make Gongjin bread eggs. Simple build and maybe a little disaster. Heat the pan, heat the oil until it's angry. This time, I'm in control. No mistakes. Take 2 eggs from the cool palace. Use my justice pen to judge them. Fry until they are completely unrecognizable. 1 spoon of light soy sauce. Again, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce. 1 spoon of vinegar. 1 spoon of sugar. Stir it brutally. Pour into it. Wait, why is it sticking? No, oh no, no! The eggs betrayed me. They are stuck like glue. This is cooking disaster. Oh my god, betrayed me. Add the bottle chili peppers. Let it stick even more. I will save this dish. Let it stick even more. I will save this dish. It's a little ugly, but taste is all that matters. Looks don't mean anything.